Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add activities to your CS2N group. So right now, as you can see, I'm already inside my group page. And if you want to add an activity to your group, go ahead and click this blue button here, Add Group Activities. You can search for an activity by name, or you can select an entire curriculum from the available curriculum list or add individual badges from the other activities list. To add an activity to your group, click Add to Group. So for example, I'm just going to add Mechanical Foundations, adding to group. And then you'll see this in your group page. You'll see Go to Activity. This opens the activity in a new tab. This is the same behavior that students will see when they click on the activity in the group. And you'll see the whole curriculum here in a new tab. This Progress/Uploads option will bring you to the progress table where you can see the progress, quiz scores, and uploads of all the students in the group. And finally, this Remove Activity button will remove the activity from your group. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you haven't already, check out our videos on how to create a group and how to track your students' progress. Thanks for watching.